In our community, we care for the land, the water, and all the creatures that call this place home. Hello, my name is Patricia, and I help care for the Salish Roots Community Garden with the Squaxin Island tribe. Our work here connects people, plants, and place. Mason Conservation District partners with our communities to care for the land, water, forest, and farms we all depend on. Mason CD provides free voluntary services to help landowners improve and protect natural resources for future generations. Mason Conservation District works with the forest landowners to improve forest health, reduce wildfire risk, and protect wildlife habitat. Healthy forest also keeps streams clean and cold for the fish like salmon. Mason CD supports local farmers, manage manure, and protect water quality. Farmers can install manure storage structures and improve heavy use areas to keep pastures productive and streams clean. Mason CD helps protect water resources by planting streamside buffers, reducing erosion, and restoring habitat for salmon and other fish. Clean water is essential for people, wildlife, and future generations. Mason CD assists homeowners in creating healthy, sustainable backyards by planting pollinator gardens, establishing riparian buffers, or adding hedgerows. These practices reduce pollution, support pollinators, and create beautiful spaces to enjoy. Mason Conservation District connects with neighbors, schools, farmers, and local organizations to care for our shared environment. Workshops, field days, and volunteer opportunities bring people together to make a difference in Mason County. Together, we protect our land and water for the next generations. Visit masoncd.org to learn more.